Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the largest contractor in the world, China State Construction Engineering Corporation, CSCEC for short. They currently don't directly have any projects in Jamaica, but they are very interested in working in Jamaica. And they are trying to break into the Jamaican market. Now, when you think of contracting in Jamaica, you think of China Harbour Engineering Company. And China Harbour Engineering Company has done so well in Jamaica that other contractors are now looking to get into the Jamaican market. Now, to just to give you some perspective, China Harbour Engineering Company, their parent company is China Communications Construction Company, CCCC. They are the third largest contractor in the world, and they have revenue of about 150 billion US dollars a year. Now, the largest contractor in the world, which is China State Construction Engineering Company, they have revenue of over $300 billion a year. So they are a much bigger company than China Harbour Engineering Company. Of course, their headquarters is in China, and they operate in over 100 countries, and they employ over 330,000 employees. So we'll keep you guys updated on this development, but the largest contractor in the world is very interested in working in Jamaica. And although Czech has done an excellent job in Jamaica, there is so much development taking place, so much infrastructure going in, that I think it's time we got a second major contractor. Well, there is, of the top 5 contractors in the world, 2 currently work in Jamaica, and which is China Harbour Engineering Company and Vinci. Vinci SA, the French company, is ranked number 5 when you're talking about largest contractors. CSCC is number 1, and the parent company for Czech, which is CCCS, is number 4. The second and third largest contractors in the world. Number 2 is China Railway Group Limited, CREC. And the third one is China Railway Construction Corporation, CRCC. So let's just go through the top 5. Number 1, China State Construction Engineering Company. They have their eyes on Jamaica. Number 2, China Railway Group Limited. They have revenue of about 160 billion. The largest contractor is 320 billion. Number 3 is China Railway Construction Corporation, which is about 150 billion. Number 4 is China Communications Construction Company, which is CCCC, which is the parent company for China Harbour Engineering Company, and their revenue is 104 billion. And then number 5 is the French company Vinci SA, who is currently working in Jamaica, and their revenue is about 75 billion. So those are the top 5. Now, very interesting, number 2 and 3, China Railway Group Limited and China Railway Construction Corporation. Railway. And guys, what does Jamaica need more than anything right now? Is to get their railway back up and running. So we're going to watch and see what happens, because either of those 2 companies could easily get the railway up and running again in Jamaica. Alright guys, so we will keep you guys updated on these developments. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.